Okay, video review number 2, okay, get a pink scratch paper. Now, if you have to graph, you want to find where the XY point where they cross, okay? Alright, so the y is by itself here, so if the y is by itself, we put an m, which is 1, and a b, okay? And we graph it. Remember, you put a 1 on the bottom to make it a fraction, so minus, this is where my b's at. So I go minus 1, that's down here. Okay. Then I go up 1, forward 1. We're always going forward, okay? And then you take your ruler and graph. Okay, let's look at our second equation. The y is by itself, okay? So m and b. Remember, if your m doesn't have a number, you put a 1, but we have an m here. Okay, so minus 5 on the b, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Then from there we go down 3, forward 1, okay? Down 3, forward 1. We can't do it again, so that's okay. And they meet. Okay, if your line's a little off than mine, that's okay. Let's just look at mine. Okay, here's where they meet. So here's the x. So I go to the middle, and I have to go this way. I have to go backwards. So I have to go backwards -1. Then I have to go down -1, -2. Okay, there's your y. There's your answer. Okay, number 2. Y is by itself, so I put an MB label on that, and minus 2 is my B. And if there's a fraction in front of the x, that's what I want, because I know I can go up 4, forward 3. Alright, now in this other one we're going to have to go to scratch paper, because when I make that wall I see more than just y there. So I have to go to my scratch paper. 3y minus 4x equals -6. Okay, now we make sure the number in front of the y is positive. It is. Okay, if it's not, we change the signs, but it's positive, so I circle it. We have to get rid of the minus 4x, so I put a plus 4x. Then I put a 0x here, so I have a place to put plus 4x under. So we got 3y, do your x's first. So 0 plus 4 is 4x, and then plus -6. Okay, you got to put that down first. Now divide by 3. And then the y is by itself. Okay, so I take 4 divided by 3. It's a decimal, so don't write the decimal. Just leave it 4x over 3. Okay? And then -6 divided by 3 is going to be -2. Okay? Okay, so now the wall, I'm good. I have my m and b. So I have -2 for b. Oh, there's already a point there. Okay? Now, let's go up 4, forward 3. Oh, there's a point there. That's the same line, so that's when it's IMS, infinitely many solutions. Okay, let's go to the back page, number 3. Okay. Y is by itself, MB. Okay. Put a 1 under your m. You always want a fraction with your m, okay? Because that tells you how far you got to go forward. So minus 4. And then from there I go up 3 over 1. Okay. Alright, then I take my ruler and okay, now my next one, here's the equals. The y is not by itself. It is not, so I got to go to my scratch paper. So put a 1 in front of your y. It's positive, so again, you're good to circle it. Plus 3x. I put a plus 0x, so I can put a plus 3x there. So 0x plus 3x is 3x plus 1. Okay. Now divide everything by 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, so you can write 3x down, and then plus 1. And now you can do your MB. Remember, we need the M to be a fraction, so I'm going to insert the 1 under it. So plus 1. And that's going to be up 3, forward 1. Okay. Okay. And the lines are like railroad tracks. They're never going to cross. And the reason they're never going to cross is because they had the same exact slope. Okay. Reason why is because I go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. They never cross. So that's a no solution. Okay, the next problem, solve by substitution. Find a letter by itself. You got the y. That's called your base, and you circle the other side, because we got to find where they cross without seeing the graph. Okay, we're not graphing it anymore. Now write your other equation, 2x plus 2y equals 22. So the y is my base, so the y is what I parenthesize, I scribble it out, and I put 2x minus 1. Okay, now rewrite it, 2x plus 2, parentheses 2x minus 1. So we're equal to 22. Now I do the rainbows from the 2, the number right in front of the parentheses. Okay, so 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times 1 is 2, keep it as minus 2. Okay, and now those two can be crossed out. We still have a plus 2x. Okay. Now they're on the same side, so you make your v and add the x's. Okay. So 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 2. And then I solving for the x. Add the 2. 24 divided by 6, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay. Alright, so x is 4, and you got to write y, and then now insert 4 into one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, I would do the one where the y is by itself, okay, but that's just me. Because now I know x is 4, and I take 2 times 4, and that's 8 minus 1. Well, what's 8 minus 1? It's 7. Okay, that's a substitution problem. Okay, my battery on my camera is about to die, so yeah, I'm gonna switch videos.